I didn't remember them, did you? Seemed like I remember Faye. She was really short, and I can remember, I think I remember Faye. I don't remember Terry.
Well, what did it sound like when she took your order?
Well, no, that's what I'm saying. I remember that voice, but I didn't know Faye them then. Back in the 80s.
Timmy's mad at me.
What'd you do?
Because Caitlin told him he wasn't her best friend anymore. Because he wasn't there for her when she needed somebody. And Timmy got mad. Like, she was going through something Sunday, and I gave her a hug.
Who's Caitlin? Timmy's girlfriend?
Huh?
I need you to do something for me, Josh.
You always do.
Take you about 10 minutes.
No, it'll take me an hour and a half.
No,
I know
about
your
10,
time.
about
I'll
10
work in the
minutes.
garden with you.
10 minutes down, 5 minutes to get down there, and 10 minutes to do it. 10 minutes when you come back. That's 10 minutes.
What is it?
There's some wood in the back of that green truck. Been cut up already. Planks. Take that white truck down there real easy and put it back with it. Because when Rod comes in Monday, I won't get time to do it tomorrow. If Rod comes in Monday, he won't have to unload it. He cut it for me and put it back in that green truck. Planks. You've been honoring about, you know, to start fires. Come off the shotgun range. And it's already cut, and all you gotta do is lay it back in the white truck.
You want me? Okay.
And back it up here and put it in the basement.
You want to go with me?
It won't take you 10 minutes,
I
basically.
ain't worried about that.